Well, welcome out to the garage, ladies and gentlemen. I'm feeling a little bit defeated. So I got the car all put back together, and well, it was running funny. So similar symptom as to when I started all this work. So just put in new coil packs after doing a little switcheroo of coil packs to see which cylinders, and sure enough they were following. And so anywho, it's running right now. I'll let you hear it and judge for yourself. All right, and then show you the well, let's just do an auto scan of it. Alright, no more misfires, but I want to show you what's got me sad. Ow. That was the knee. What's got me sad is you guys see this little puddle right here? So we got an oil drip. So after all that effort to plug up all the oil leaks on this thing, I've got an oil leak, and I don't for the life of me know where it's coming from. So I want to show you guys what I'm looking at under there. And okay, so first of all, do you see that bolt right, this bolt right here? That bolt is getting wet with oil. But when I look at my my seam right there for the cover, it doesn't look wet with oil there. But back a little ways, that bolt is wet with oil. And if I come under here, if you give it a minute, oil starts to pool up around the top of where that filter's at. And see this point right here? Well, if we go directly up from that, that's that bolt right there. Okay? And I cannot tell how that bolt is getting wet. But I don't believe, I didn't think this was still dripping anymore before we had this issue. So I have tried my best to look at all of the seams for the cover that I put on, and I cannot find, I don't see anything else. So I just don't know why that bolt is wet with oil, and why we have such a good drip going. Just does not compute. I don't know. I mean, I can't see anything there, and it is pretty tough to you can see much of anything back here, but I don't know. I just don't know. We get a bit there. So there you go. I mean, I only had a couple extra pieces. I mean, I still got to put the little metal that metal piece on below the wipers there. So that's what these are, and then a couple plastic caps I didn't put back on. And there was one thing. There was one thing that so we got a bracket, and I, for the life of me, did not find anywhere that this needed to go. So yeah, this is the one extra part from all that. So I don't know, I guess if you know where this goes, let me know. It feels like it's just something to where a cable harness, a couple zip ties would clip into. It's what it seems like. Oh, which speak of, I gotta hug that one a little closer to that, so it's not so close to the exhaust. But get back down there and see. It's probably may have started yeah, look at so I just don't know. On the back of that, you look at that bolt. That bolt seems wet right there, and that's not a bolt that I touched. So what is it? And why is it dripping? I touched that one. I touched that one. I wonder if that bolt is actually just loose and frickin' needs tightened. Like, I see a little something on that one, but not much. I don't know. I just don't know. But I don't see anything else on the work that I did. So confused. So, if you guys got any ideas, let me know. Alright. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. See if I can figure this out.